If you're self-employed in Belgium, you know how time-consuming it can be to submit your VAT return. But what if I told you that you'll never have to download and upload an XML file on Intervat again? Our team has worked really hard to integrate an API with Intervat, so now you can submit your VAT return directly from the app. Let me show you how. First, make sure all your revenues and expenses are inaccountable. Then head to the Taxes tab, select the quarter that you want to submit the return for, and click Review and Submit. Our app automatically detects any issues. For example, double invoices or invoices for which the transaction amount doesn't match the invoice amount. We do this to avoid any mistakes in your declaration, so review it, adjust if needed, and then hit Continue. Now here's the magic. Instead of downloading an XML file, you can now send the VAT return directly to Intervat in one click. All you need to do is to verify your identity with It's Me in order to log into Intervat. And that's it. Your VAT return is submitted without leaving the accountable app. You can view your submitted declaration anytime by clicking on the History button. If you need to pay VAT, you can do it straight from the accountable app, or if you prefer, you can use the QR code and scan it with your bank app. If you get money back, you don't have to do anything. The refund will be automatically processed by the SPF Finance. We run multiple checks to ensure your VAT declaration is error-free. If the tax office issues a fine for an honest mistake, we cover it, giving you complete peace of mind. Filing your VAT return has never been easier. Save time, avoid stress, and let Accountable handle the hassle.